before I get into it with Chuck, y'all, COVID is actually still among us. And I have been talking to folks who are catching COVID, this new variant of COVID. So I thought it was a perfect time to connect with Dr. Duchin of Public Health King County to tell us more about what's going on with COVID. Check it out.
It's a good time to ask. COVID has not gone away. And I think one of the reasons you're seeing so many people with COVID is that is sort of how folks are behaving. There's a number of reasons why people are getting sick right now. First of all, COVID is increasing. It's been increasing since the fall, since Thanksgiving time. And although we're not, peaking at those really high levels of serious illness and hospitalization that we did during the Omicron 21-22 winter wave or some of the other really early waves, we're still seeing lots of hospitalizations, lots of cases, and lots of preventable disability, mortality, you name it. So the fact that a lot of people think the pandemic's over and it's gone away is leading folks to drop their precautions. And in particular, the most important is vaccination. I know people are a little tired of all the vaccinations, but you really do need that current booster that was just released in the fall to get the protection against the current strain, to get the best protection.
Yeah, see, right there, it's letting us know that there's something we can be doing right now. But I did want to ask him a little bit more about this because when COVID first came out and like kind of hit the scene, vaccines were everywhere. And so I wanted to check in with him about the availability of where folks can go right now.
The updated vaccines are pretty widely available. The COVID vaccines are in most pharmacies around town. Your doctor's office may carry it as well. You can look at the vaccines.gov website to find a vaccine site near you. I put in downtown Seattle zip code earlier this morning, came up with lots of pharmacies throughout the county. But we're also continuing with our vaccine clinic in the Kent Hill Plaza Shopping Center, where we give no-cost vaccines to people who don't have insurance or whose insurance doesn't cover the vaccine. Everyone is welcome at this clinic to get a free vaccine, regardless of their immunization or insurance status. And we have all age vaccines there. So you can find that at kingcounty.gov/vaccine. That's the Kent Hill Plaza Shopping Center.
Yeah, well, that lets us know where some, availability is. Of course, if you do not have insurance, make sure you check out that option. But I also wanted to ask what kind of things we can be doing to keep ourselves safe now. Originally, we were wearing masks. Let's see what some of the things he had to say about what we can be doing right now.
We don't have to, be in fear of it, but we have to take common sense precautions, vaccination, ventilation, avoid people who are sick and isolate yourself when you're sick. Wear masks still in crowded indoor settings. And most of our healthcare facilities have gone back to masking right now because of the level of respiratory diseases in general, flu, COVID, and RSV in the community. So these steps will all help, and we need to sort of incorporate them into our lives going forward because this virus, just like flu, is not going to go away.
There we have it, y'all. COVID is here with us. Of course, if you're looking for more information, go to kingcounty.gov/COVID.